Nature at its finest. I don't know what he doing, but he right there. I mean, nature ain't stopped. Why should we stop? I see people doing regular functions all day, every day. They questioning because they don't know nobody who's sick or who died. Or maybe they do, but they don't. Spider-Man rolling. He getting it ready. They got two of them. They got another one. They got two of them. Bow, bow. Let me see if I can get both of them. One right there. The other one right there. Look, bow. Both of them at the same time. But yeah, nature ain't stopping. They trying to control everybody. Control your thoughts. Control your functions. Control who you be around, what you do, where you go. They want to know everything. But it's on you if you gonna give them that luxury of mind controlling you and your family, your friends, anybody you know. Spider-Man busy right there. It's a good day. I wouldn't have caught that if I wasn't right here.
He making his work. She making her
They
work.
getting ready for nighttime. They got two of them right there. My partner out here. Charlotte right here. I don't know what kind it is. But yeah. Yeah.
They getting ready for the barber shop.
Oh yeah.
Every night,
Wow.
same process.
Same time, every night, every day, right? They not controlled. They doing what they do normally. So why we gotta be controlled?
People outside, families fishing and shit.
They got people. They just had a man jump in the bayou, swimming in the bayou. A bayou probably way. I know the bayou way more dirtier than the Florida water, where they telling people don't go in the water because they got a man-eating parasite or a flesh-eating parasite. Look, they got people on their bikes and shit. Nobody. Who's stopping? People fishing. People out here, man. People walking. Ain't nobody got on no mask. People ain't got no mask on. I wish I would wear a mask and keep whatever germs infecting myself, killing myself. They want y'all to kill yourself. So nobody ain't listening to what they saying. They telling y'all stuff so y'all can kill yourself. You know what I mean? But yeah, use your own head. Ask Mr. Spider-Man what's going on in his world. Because he working. Look, he webbing that web. Supercraft. That's how my mind do all day, every day, like this spider. It don't never stop. I can come with content all day, every day. Whatever subject you want. People living out here. We rolling, boy. New Orleans. New Orleans, Louisiana, we ain't stopping. See it turned down for what, huh? Mind control for what? Holla at you, boy.